Pathologist. A pathologist is a medical doctor who specializes in diagnosing and understanding the nature of diseases and their effects on the human body and diagnosing diseases by examining tissues, cells, and bodily fluids. Pathology is the study of disease, and pathologists play a crucial role in the diagnosis and treatment of various medical conditions. They examine tissue samples to identify abnormal cells and determine the cause of disease, which is essential for determining the most appropriate treatment plan for a patient. Pathologists work closely with other physicians and healthcare professionals to interpret laboratory results and provide guidance on treatment options. Pathologists work in a variety of settings, including hospitals, clinics, research laboratories, and medical schools. They are responsible for examining tissue and body fluids to determine the presence of diseases, as well as analyzing the effects of various treatments on those diseases. Pathologists also play a critical role in medical research. They may conduct research to better understand the causes of various diseases, as well as to develop new treatments and diagnostic tools. Pathologists may specialize in a variety of areas, including anatomic pathology, which involves the examination of tissue samples, or clinical pathology, which focuses on the analysis of bodily fluids such as blood and urine. Some pathologists may also specialize in areas such as forensic pathology, which involves the examination of tissue samples in cases of sudden or unexpected deaths, or molecular pathology, which involves the analysis of DNA and other genetic material. In addition to diagnosing diseases, pathologists also play a key role in research, helping to develop new treatments and improve the understanding of disease processes. Pathologists may work in hospitals, clinics, research institutions, or in private practice. They may also teach medical students and residents, helping to train the next generation of physicians and researchers. There are several different types of pathologists who specialize in different areas of medicine. Anatomic pathologist. An anatomic pathologist is a physician who specializes in the diagnosis of diseases through examination of tissues and organs under a microscope. They analyze biopsies, surgical specimens, and autopsies to identify diseases such as cancer. Clinical pathologist. Clinical pathologists are physicians who specialize in laboratory medicine. They analyze blood, urine, and other body fluids to diagnose and monitor diseases, and work closely with other medical professionals to interpret test results and develop treatment plans. Forensic pathologist. Forensic pathologists are medical doctors who specialize in the investigation of sudden, unexpected, or suspicious deaths. They conduct autopsies and other tests to determine the cause and manner of death, and provide expert testimony in criminal cases. Neuropathologist. A neuropathologist is a physician who specializes in the study of diseases that affect the nervous system, including the brain and spinal cord. They analyze tissue samples to diagnose and treat conditions such as Alzheimer's disease, multiple sclerosis, and brain tumors. Dermatopathologist. A dermatopathologist is a physician who specializes in the diagnosis of skin diseases. They analyze skin biopsies and other samples to identify skin conditions such as psoriasis, eczema, and skin cancer. Hematopathologist. A hematopathologist is a physician who specializes in the diagnosis and treatment of diseases of the blood and bone marrow. They analyze blood and bone marrow samples to diagnose conditions such as leukemia, lymphoma, and anemia. Pediatric pathologist. Pediatric pathologists are physicians who specialize in the diagnosis of diseases in children. They analyze tissue samples and other tests to identify conditions such as congenital anomalies, metabolic disorders, and childhood cancers. In summary, a pathologist is a medical doctor who specializes in the study of diseases and their effects on the human body, using laboratory tests and examinations of tissues, cells, and bodily fluids to diagnose diseases and develop treatment plans.